Welcome to Utisam Mathematics. In this video, I'm going to look at quadratic number pattern. In my previous video, we looked at linear number pattern. So let's begin. Yes, quadratic number pattern is of the form. So this is a quadratic expression. So the highest power of the variable of interest is power 2. So that makes it quadratic. And A, B, C are all constant. Okay, so let's look at how the sequence look like. So if you watch my first video, if you are watching me for the first time, I will urge you to go and watch the previous video, that is linear pattern. So let's find the sequence. So for the first time, we put n is equal to 1. So u1 becomes a1 squared plus b1 plus c, so which is a plus b plus c. Now for u2, the second term, n is equal to 2. So we have a times 2 squared plus 2b plus c. So when we simplify, this is 4. So we have 4a plus 2b plus c. Okay, let's move to the next one. So the third term will be a times 3 squared plus 3n plus c. So we have 9a plus 3n plus c. Okay, let's add another one, fourth term. So we have a times 4 squared plus 3n plus c. And this is the same as 16a plus 3n plus c. Okay, so let's see the general pattern for quadratic number pattern. So you start with a plus b plus c. That is the first term. The second term will be 4a plus 2b plus c. The third term will be 9a plus 3b plus c. So this is 2. And then the last one, which is 16a plus 4b plus c. So this is the general pattern of quadratic number pattern. Okay, let's see something for quadratic. Okay, so let's do some manipulation. We said that the first term is a plus b plus c. The second term 4a plus 2b plus c. The third term 9a plus 3b plus c. And then the fourth one 16a plus 4b plus c. Now let's find the difference. When we take the first difference, 4a minus a give us 3a, then 2b minus b, so 3 plus b, that will be the first difference. Now the second difference, 9a minus 4a, second difference, so that will be 5a, 3b minus 2b plus 2b plus b. Okay, now let's look at the next difference, 16a minus that. So that's why we have 7a. Then 4b minus 3b plus b. C minus c is equal to 0. So for quadratic number pattern, the first difference are not the same. So let's move forward and then look at the second difference. So let's find the second difference. 3a plus b, 5a minus b. So this will be 2a. Then this one, 5a minus 7a minus 5a, that is 2a. Then the b part will go to 0. So for quadratic number pattern, the second difference of the consecutive terms are the same. Let's illustrate this one with an example. Okay, consider the following number pattern. Show that it is quadratic number pattern. Write down the next two terms of the number pattern. Hence determine the 9th, the nth term as well as the 100th term. Determine which term is equal to 162. So let's try to go back. The sequence has 6, 17, 34, 56. We want to show that it is quadratic number pattern. Okay, so let's find the first difference. 17 minus 6, that is 11. 34 minus 17, that is 17. 57 minus 34, that is 23. Okay. Now let's move on to find the second difference. So the second difference, 17 minus 11, are getting 6. 23 minus 17, we are getting 6. So for quadratic number pattern, the second differences are the same. Now looking at the number pattern that I gave to you, you can see that a plus b plus c, which is the first term, is equal to 6. This is equation 1. And then the first difference is 3a plus b will equal to 11. That is equation 2. And then the last one, which is the second difference. The second difference, we said that it is 2a. So the second difference, that is 2a is equal to 6. Yes. So that is it. This is 2a. Yes. Okay. Now we solve this one. Let's solve it from now. So this divide both sides by 2. So a becomes 3. You can put it here and find b. 3a plus b. 3a. So which is 3 plus b is equal to 11. So b is 11 minus 9. So b is 2. Now then we use b and a in the first equation. So 3 plus 2 plus c is equal to 6. So c will be 6 minus 5. So c is 1. So let's go back. Since the second difference are 2, we can conclude that the number pattern is quadratic. We have to write down the next two terms of the number pattern. Okay, let's do something here. 6 plus 11 give us 17. And 17 plus 17, 34. 34 plus 23 is equal to 57. So how do you get the next one? It is 6 plus 23, and which will be 29. And then we add 29 to 57 to get this, the next step. So when you do that, here is 86. Good. And then still the difference is 866. Good. And then how do you get the next term? Yes. So the next term is this plus that. 29 plus 86. 29 plus 86. No, before we do that, we need to find the difference here. So the difference 6 plus 29 is 35. Then 35 plus 86. That will give us 121. So the next two terms of this pattern, number pattern, is 86 and 121. Now hence determine the nth term as well as the 100th term. So here, after getting the values of a, b, c, just substitute the values. So the nth term, un, is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. So if you want the nth term, you just put in the values. So which is equal to a is 3, so 3n squared plus b is 2, 2n plus c. So 3n squared plus 2n plus c. This is the n term. Yes, the c, 3n squared plus 2n. Remember, we got c to be 1 plus 1. So that is the n term of the sequence, the number pattern. And the question said we should find the 100th term. So u100, 3 times 100 squared plus 2 times 100 plus 1. So this is 10,000. So 10,000 times 3, 30,000. And then plus 200 plus 1. So when we put them together, we are getting 3201. Now let's look at the next question. We have a quadratic number pattern here. So 6, 15, x, and then 45. Now for quadratic number pattern, we need to find two differences. So this will be the first one. 15 minus 6, that is 9. And then x minus 15. So we have find x minus 15. And then we find 45 minus x is the first difference. So we need to find the next difference. So x minus 15 minus 9. Then this one will be 45 minus x minus x minus 15. So let's put them in brackets. Now for quadratic number pattern, the second difference are always the same. So we are going to with this and that. This implies that 250 minus 9 is, so when we simplify, you are going to get 24. X minus 24 is equal to 45 minus x plus 15. So x minus 24, which is equal to 60. 55 plus 40, then minus 2x. You can send this one to this side. So x plus 2x is equal to 60 plus 24. So we have 3x, which is equal to 84. Divide both sides by 3. X is equal to 84 divided by 3 is 28. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also give a thumbs up and turn your notification on so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be alerted. Bye.